Hi, I'm Toni Benton. I'm with the Keller Williams office out of Clearwater, Florida, serving the Tampa Bay area. And I'm really excited to be teaching you Win with Buyers. Now more than ever since the NAR settlement, it's crucial that we have a great buyer's presentation and that we are able to show our value to the buyers and learn how to write the buyer brokerage agreement if we're not already making that a practice. So, I'm sure I'll be seeing you very soon. I'm looking forward to it. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about me to hopefully get you even more excited to help me lead the way on your Winning with Buyers. I am a top producer. I'm in the top 100 of Keller Williams South Florida region. I have an administrative assistant. My awesome husband is on my team as well. We're a pretty small team with about $13 million in production. So I love education. I think it's an amazing thing. And I'm hoping that you like the same thing too. And I will be seeing you soon. Have a fantastic week. Be prosperous and be well.